Nsoromma. Yes, sir. Yanko judges no Andy.
Okay, Aseda. First of all, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Why in style?
80
okay.
80 clothing.
80 clothing. Okay. Okay. And I can see a new man. Wow.
As usual.
As usual. Okay. You look beautiful. And I will make up near there. Say, and then the oba but you have photo. In your photos. Try be brave. So. And you know na me problem. Because nipa ocho nyum no ochami kofi o ya nyuma o mane o ma wo mreto. What I say? O ma wo mreto. It's so easy for you to sing. And for bit say Becca, imagine. Say the Becca no nyum city no. O ma wo mre say obeso usua no nyum to a. Enti what happened? Because now we're endings no in so. What did I mention? I say, it's an easy song, and the key was very good. Nanka to me are killing it easily, but minim said ya oya onema. Minim said next week, obe say mami. I believe in you, I trust in you, and I know you can do better. Okay, good.
Akosia.
Why if a papa? But I didn't so the uncle come here. Where's no crumble me? I said, me never open the beko. We okay, dear. I also I mean, you're a good singer, but I had to go with your endings and open my problem. Apart from that, and I think say then you're bad, and I'm not all can. Just relax when you sing. Becca or Shemia, or no, me Becca or Shemi, me you know that. Call mommy, okay? Call mom. I'm waiting for you, girl. Okay. And the next time, no, make sure so we end in snippet. And it was the last week, so they be end there to why? So I said, oh, to not himself me more. Obviously, just your ending snippet. Apart from that, your singing, your performance, your clothing. Mwah.
Na o vote amano because you see baby adunu there. Adu wa nisa. Star 713 star 208 hash. Star 713 star 208 hash. Matume boss ya bomao. On all the networks, ne vote ma o favorite contestant na wada wakoma so no. Vote no more because last hour na ni ye bibie na fi akeka bom. The judges ne de na account na de be jane kwan ye jane kwan.